In this question, we're going to have a look at the proportion problem that can come up in the National 5 numeracy assessment. It's quite wordy, so you just need to try and make sure you're reading the information very carefully, and you need to know a few conversions as well. So we'll have a look at the question. A water company sells its product in 400ml bottles. Each empty bottle weighs 60 grams. To transport the full bottles, they are packaged on pallets of 112 bottles. A supermarket orders 20 pallets. The delivery van can take a maximum load of 1 tonne. A litre of water weighs a kilogram. Can the supermarket's order be delivered in 1 van load? Use your calculation to justify your answer. So loads of information here. My advice for these sort of questions is to try and even just imagine it or try and draw a wee picture. So I'm going to try and draw a picture here to try and kind of illustrate what's going on. So I'm just going to let this represent a water bottle. Okay? The water bottle, a water company sells its product in 400ml bottles. So this can hold 400 millilitres. Each empty bottle weighs 60 grams. So when this bottle is empty, this weighs 60 grams. But it's obviously not going to be empty. Okay, because there is water in it. We're going to use this fact down here that 1 litre of water weighs 1 kilogram. So what does that mean? We're told, I'm just going to once again do some scribbles up here. We're told 1 litre weighs 1 kilogram. 1 litre is the same as 1,000 millilitres. So 1,000 millilitres weighs a kilo. So we've got 400 millilitres. So that's going to weigh 0.4 kilograms. Or if you want, we can keep that as grams just now. That's 400 grams. Remember, in 1 kilogram, there is 1,000 grams. So we now know that this 400 millilitres weighs 400 grams. So we're going to say that that in fact is 400 grams. So in actual fact, the full bottle of water altogether is going to weigh 460 grams. Okay, so that's what 1 bottle is. To transport the full bottles, they are packaged on pallets of 112. So we have got 1 bottle weighing 460. So per pallet, so now a bit more. So 1 bottle was 460, but the pallet can hold 112 bottles. So we've got 112 lots of 460 grams. And 112 multiplied by 460 is 51,520 grams. I'm just going to keep this as grams just now. So that's for every 1 pallet. A supermarket orders 20 of these pallets. So the 20 pallets will weigh 20 times the weight of 1 pallet. And multiplying this by 20 is going to give us 1,030,400. Okay, so, and that's in grams. So we want to figure out, that's how much the 20 pallets is going to weigh. The manufacturer's delivery van can take a maximum load of 1 tonne. Can the market's order be delivered in 1 van? So there's one more conversion you need to know, and it's about 1 tonne. You need to know that 1 tonne is 1,000 kilograms. You need to know that. Okay, so we have our units here in grams. So in order to convert to kilograms, we're going to need to divide this number by 1000. Dividing that by 1000 is going to give us 1030.4 kilograms, 1030 kilograms. So we've now got the weight of the 20 pallets. It's going to be 1030 kilograms. Let's have a look at the question. The manufacturer's delivery van can take a maximum load of a ton. Can it be delivered? A ton is 1000 kilograms, so the van can hold 1000 kilograms, and our pallets is 1030 kilograms, so it will not be able to deliver the pallet in one order. So can the supermarket order? So we'll just say no. The supermarket cannot deliver the order. Deliver the order with one van, since 1030.4 kilograms is more than 1000 kilograms. When you're writing your statement at the end here, you need to relate it to the context, like what we've got here. No, it can't. And then you need to have a numerical comparison, since it actually weighs more than what it's allowed to weigh. Okay, so there's a lot of information going on there, but if you just try and pause, I generally do draw pictures to try and help solve these problems myself. Okay, I'm just going to go through one more. Kind of similar. An Easter egg manufacturer produces a chocolate egg which weighs 260 pounds. Oh no, 260 grams, apologies. Okay, so I'm just going to draw an egg here, and that's going to weigh 260 grams. The weight of the Easter egg box and packaging is 78 grams. So we put that egg inside this box, and this box weighs 78 grams. So altogether, we could work out what that weighs altogether. That's going to be 260 plus 78. So altogether, that's going to be 338 grams. To transport the Easter eggs, they are packaged in trays of 68 boxes. So this is the weight of one box. We are getting 68 of them. So we're going to get 68 lots of 338. That's going to be 22,984. That's 22,984 grams. Okay, so that's for one tray. Let's say that's per tray. A retailer orders 40 trays. Okay, so we've got 40 lots of 22,984. 40 lots of 22,984. Which is 919,360 grams. And we'll just say that's for 40 trays. Okay, so the manufacturer's delivery van can take a maximum load of 1 ton. There's that 1 ton again. We need to know that 1 ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. We're not given that information. You need to know that. So we're going to need to take this amount and convert it into kilograms. To go from grams to kilograms, we'll divide by 1,000. And that's going to give us 919.36 kilograms. So the 40 trays is going to weigh 919.36 kilograms. The van can hold 1,000 kilograms. So can it be delivered in one van load? Yes. So we need to just say that in a statement. Yes, the trays can be delivered. The trays can be delivered in one van load, since I think it was 919.36 kilograms is less than 1,000 kilograms. Once again, when we're answering these sort of questions, we need to refer to the context, and then we need to have a numerical comparison. Okay, so hopefully that's been a wee bit helpful. Sometimes it's quite hard to kind of unpack this information here, but sometimes diagrams will help you give an idea and understanding of what you need to do. Thank you very much.